Welcome to this video presentation, How to Avoid Getting Burned in the Markets, presented by FFR Trading. In this series, we'll equip you with practical trading and investing knowledge while helping you to avoid the many pitfalls and mistakes many traders and investors make. In this week's video, we'll discuss how to keep it simple. But first, let me introduce you to who we are here at FFR Trading and what our role is. FFR Trading is a due diligence firm for various investment and trading services. We've worked with dozens of traders in all markets, including stocks, options, futures, and Forex. In a nutshell, we've uncovered the mistakes so many people make when considering trading or investing strategies. Our goal is to find solid investment and trading opportunities that we can pass along to you. We hope that this video can help you avoid some of the same pitfalls many investors fall into and help provide a primer on the markets, though not a comprehensive thesis on the subject. For advanced education on the markets, we will discuss the unlimited literature available on specific topics. Chapter 12. Keep it simple. When it comes to understanding the markets, it's easy to get lost in the weeds and become overwhelmed. For a newcomer, it may seem like you need to decide whether to jump in with both feet or stay out of the pool entirely. Luckily, thanks to technology, that's not the case anymore. Your smartphone or tablet provides a world of investment opportunities and knowledge with only a few taps. Here are some of the best ways to learn about wealth that await you online. First, before deciding to invest in any company, do some background research into it. If it's a tech company, download their app to see if they're the real deal. If the app doesn't seem quite up to par or lacking in some way, consider reaching out through their contact page, although calling is probably not the best way to see how their tech side of their business runs. Express your concerns as a potential investor and ask if they're already working on future fixes for these issues. Continue poking around to learn about their history, their administrative structure, and any major changes, expansions, or layoffs they've experienced or anticipated. This is where the apps come into play. For beginners, Bloomberg and www.investing.com have apps that are perfect. They are free and provide a well-rounded view of what's going on in the financial world, as well as provide an in-depth look at how each individual stock is doing. This way, you can keep an eye on how the areas of the market that you're interested in are performing and get ready to jump in when you feel it's the right time. Now that you know a little bit more about the markets, it's time to get involved at an intermediate level. If after doing your homework you think you're ready, but aren't mentally or fiscally ready to make the leap into the markets, there's an app for that. In fact, there are several. Acorns is an app that invests an amount you have predetermined into a diversified portfolio. The amount you choose can be anywhere from a few dollars a month and up. The trick is that you can invest it all at once, or you can invest your change. You'll link your credit or debit cards, and whenever you make a purchase that isn't a solid dollar value, like $1.75, the app will round it up and put those remaining 25 cents toward your portfolio. You can check on your investments through the app, and you can put a cap on any amount that you want deposited. So, if you only want to deposit and invest $1 a month, after 4 purchases of $1.75, the extra 25 cents will have gone in 4 times, hitting your monthly cap of $1. Another app that works similarly is Robinhood. While Acorns puts money into a diversified portfolio, Robinhood lets you buy and sell stocks that you choose, giving you complete control over what you choose to buy and sell. Their big selling point: there are no commissions. Like we previously discussed, even penny stocks typically require some sort of fee associated with them. But that's not the case with Robinhood. There are no commissions paid to anyone. So, in only 3 taps, you've bought some stocks of your choice and begun playing the markets at a level you're comfortable with. Is this moving a little too fast? Need to back up a few dollars and do some more research? That's not a problem. How would it sound if you've got $10,000 to invest in the market risk-free? Well, the deal isn't quite that sweet, but almost. The stock market simulator gives you virtual money to use and invest as if you were actually investing in companies. The cash balance is filled with fictional money, but it will give you the opportunity to see what it would be like to manage your own investments and to test your tolerance for risk. By using this model, you'll be able to see how you emotionally react during the market upturns and downturns, and wait to see your decisions play out. It's real-world experience for the investor who is too busy to track fictitious stocks himself. Now it's time for the big show. If this sounds like child's play, and you're ready to drop your next paycheck into some stocks, there are apps for you too. The only catch is that now the world of apps is cracked wide open, and it's up to you to decide how you want to invest. While companies like Fidelity and Merrill Lynch's Merrill Edge put the complete world of stocks in the palm of your hand, it is smart to check in with your financial institution to see what kinds of tools they have available for you. By working with the financial professionals at an institution where you have already been doing business, you may receive some commission discounts or other perks. It never hurts to ask where you can save money when you're trying to make some. Here are some tips to help you keep it simple. Don't forget to activate your push notifications on these apps so you can get an alert when there's a change with your investments or the overall market. Change your passwords every 1 to 3 months to help ensure your account is secure. Companies do all that they can to help keep your information away from prying eyes, but anything online presents a potential risk in today's cyber climate. Changing your password is one extra step you can take to do your part. Don't be afraid to try something new. Just because you're investing with one app doesn't mean you can't invest with another one too. In conclusion, know that there is still money to be made in the markets. Take it slow. Find strategies that match your unique personality. If possible, work with a trading team or at least one other person. They'll be able to see your blind spots when you can't. Above all, don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. At the end of the day, it's only money. Your family, friends, and your health matter most. Aim for a balanced life. If you aren't getting some enjoyment out of trading or investing, then chances are you might be in the wrong profession. Well, thanks for joining us. We hope this video has helped you on your journey to success in the markets. If you would like to obtain your own copy of our book, How to Avoid Getting Burned in the Markets, email us at support@ffrtrading.com.